Hi there, 7th grade band families. This is Ben Anderson. I am recording this short video to try to save some of you guys some time. We will have 4 teams worth of 7th grade band students in one room here tonight at Curriculum Night. So in 10 minutes, there's a possibility of having up to 400 people in our band room. I doubt that many will come, but just to maybe ease the pressure off of us a little bit, I thought I'd make this video to go through exactly what I'm going to say tonight. So if you get this email, you see it, and you wish to skip my presentation, by all means, go for it. I'm just going to say this exact thing. You could also fast forward. If you want to go to the gear down at the bottom of the YouTube player, you can go through it faster too. So anyway, welcome to Curriculum Night. Again, my name is Ben Anderson. I'm an Eden Prairie alumni. Went to Prairie View, went to Central Middle School, went to Eden Prairie High School, Gustavus Adolphus, master's degree from St. Mary's in teaching and learning. This is my 21st year. I love this career. You kids have been awesome. I'm getting to know them now a little bit more. They've got great character. They're lots of fun. So thank you for coming tonight. I'll probably have some of these photos going as people are walking in, so I'll just fly through these as quick as I can and not say anything. Anyway, I want to try to connect with your students, and so I often share parts of my life with them, things that I'm interested in, to see that if I can connect with them in any way possible. Clearly we like the outdoors and going to concerts. We're going to Farm Aid on Saturday. Should be good. Bon Iver coming up, Ryan Bingham. Lots of great concerts. And I'll just scoot through all of this stuff. Plenty to talk about there, but not necessary. So, the first thing that I want to mention is that I'm just going to stick to the main 4 things that are really important for success with your student. First of all, the most important thing that you can do that gets the most bang for your buck, if you will, is private lessons. Yes, they're expensive. Yes, it's an extra expenditure, but it is the number one thing that musicians do, whether it's in middle school or high school, college, to get better. Working with a professional on your instrument, getting professional advice. We've got a whole list of recommended lesson teachers on our website. I think I've already sent it to you a couple times. So that's really important. The second most impactful thing that you can do is sign up for morning ensembles. They began this week. Monday is brass ensemble. Tuesday's jazz band. Those have already met this week, but you certainly could come back next week. Wednesday, tomorrow morning, is pep band. Thursday is woodwind ensemble, and Friday is percussion ensemble. We have a lot of kids participating, hundreds of kids, and we welcome you to check it out. They all start at 6:45 a.m. They all start. We all meet right here at door number 36, which is the band room on the east side of the building. Come check it out. Again, tomorrow morning's pep band, Thursday, woodwind ensemble, Friday, percussion. So far, we've needed a few more trumpets in the brass ensemble and in the jazz band, as well as we're looking still for a bass player, for some kids to play bass and piano and trumpet in jazz band, and I'm sure the other ensembles will be great. We've always had success with those. Join them, make some friends, and play lots of music. The third most important thing you can do is pay attention to your students' practice. Help them. If you're not sure what to do and you're not a musician, you can simply ask some questions. Where are you practicing? Is that working? Why not change it up? Maybe if you're alone in the basement, come upstairs and practice where we can all hear you, or vice versa. If you need some alone time, go find a new spot. What time of day are you practicing? If it's not working, try a different time. Maybe you want to practice in the morning while you're waiting for the bus. Maybe you want to practice in the afternoon, maybe in the evening. Why are you practicing? Severely unmotivated kids are just that. They're not aware of the reasons why they might practice. So start looking up some music advocacy stuff on our website. Start just Googling, what's the motivation behind practice? The band handbook has a whole first page about why we do music. What are you practicing? Maybe go to a store, buy some new content. How are you doing it? With whom are you practicing? I've been talking to students about this concept of practicing every single day. If you can make it a goal to practice every day all year, just start with 1 minute. You'll build a habit then. The hardest part about practicing is starting. Getting that instrument out, put it together, and start playing. I've heard some reports from some students that they've been practicing 1 minute a day, and it's time maybe to start expanding that, but at least they're getting that habit down. It's a great system. You should check it out. And then, of course, staying tuned as a parent, staying tuned to our emails and videos. I know I probably err on the side of over-communicating, but I've learned that at least then people aren't searching for information from me all the time and unable to find stuff. So I'm going to try to send lots of things and have a lot of helpful stuff for parents as well. So those are the most important things to have an impact on your kids. Some of the stuff we're doing, we'll be learning some new music. Today we got some new music. We're playing out of Essential Elements Book 2 every day. In a couple weeks we'll have an instrument maintenance check. We're doing the musicianship project this week, the first one, which is where they are supposed to play a B-flat scale and then tell me all about their hobbies, their interests, the sports that they play, their family, their pets, and anything interesting about them that's unique to them that might help me get to know them a little bit better. And then, of course, we'll have some assessments, basically tests, where students will perform usually an excerpt out of their book. So those books are important to stay on top of. We will be playing at least one exercise out of the book every single day. And staying on top of that will help them with their performance assessments. The Essential Elements book have a play-along app or website, either way, and it's a great resource for students to get better. And then, of course, we have our 3 concerts in the fall, the District Festival in the winter, and in the spring. These are the concert dates for those, the December 12th date, February 3rd, and May 20th. We'll have more specifics as to which hour you're performing at. They typically, on Thursday, December 12th, and Wednesday, May 20th, we will have 3 concerts that evening. So we'll have to let you know in a little bit here which one, 6, 7, or 8 o'clock you're performing at for at least the December concert. So that's what's coming up. If you want some more information, there's always more on the band website. The band handbook has extensive information for you. There's everything you ever want to see right there. The band YouTube channel if you want to get right to the videos. And then, of course, feel free to shoot me an email anytime. I also have some other resources that you can reach me with or find out more about me. I've got an Instagram page for myself, on Twitter at Banderson2011, or find me on Facebook too. And then the CMS bands have their Instagram page and their Twitter account, although the Instagram page is probably used more often. But that's where you can find updates on what's going on with the bands. And that should be about it. Here's a QR code if you want to scan this and go right to the band website. Otherwise, you should be able to find a link to that right in the handbook, which has been sent home. Hopefully you bookmark that and use it often. There's lots of information there. Thanks for listening this far. If you want to come say hi, please do. You can swing by, but it's going to be a little bit crazy down here with, I don't know how many people that I would predict will come, but hope to meet you sometime or come say hi. But that's what I got for now. Thanks for listening. Have a great night.